Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Zig the Programming Guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change text-to-speech voice on a TikTok video. So guys, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. Now, the first thing to do is to, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your TikTok account. Then after that, click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to either record the new video or upload from your device. Now, I'm going to upload this video. I'll click on next at the bottom right corner of my screen. And now what I have to do is to add text to this video. So at the bottom of your screen, you're going to find this text icon. Go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, just add a text. So I'm just going to say, I love animation. All right, once I'm done, I can change the font size. And then I can add color. And once you are done with the text, font size, and color, just click on done at the top right corner of your screen. And then if you want to change this text to speech, just click on the text and you find the option to change text to speech. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to click on it. All right, so now it's going to be changed to speech. And also you can change the duration of this text. If you want it to last longer on the screen, you can either adjust or make it to play on the whole video. So I'm just going to click on done. Alright guys, this is how you can change text to speech on a TikTok video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and probably subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.